Hello there, and welcome to another fun art tutorial. In this one, we'll be printing this table runner and these placemats with a fun holly design. We bought these from our local department store, and it's created with acrylic paints and fabric medium. And the print is applied with a potato stamp. It's a lot of fun, so let's get into it. The first thing we'll need to get is some potatoes. Any potato will work, but waxy potatoes seem to hold up better as they seem to be more resistant to becoming waterlogged as easily. First, we need to cut up the potato long ways. Pat the potato with a paper towel to remove some of the moisture, and then using a watercolour pencil, draw in a holly leaf shape. Because the potato is damp, normal markers and pencils will not work, but the colour pencil works really well. At this point, you might like to draw up the berries too. To cut the design out on the potatoes, a hobby knife is really the best tool to use, as it creates a sharp edge that provides relatively clean prints. Obviously, hobby knives need to be treated with great care, so if you are not yet an adult, you'll have to get one to help you do this stage of the cutting. To do the cutting, first create the vertical cuts, then create the horizontal cuts into these first cuts. We also suggest to bevel the edge of the potato as well to avoid any chance of it coming into contact with the paint when we charge the potato. Have you created one of our projects? Make sure you send us a photo. We love seeing your creations. Now our potatoes have been cut, we can mix up our paint. To do this, we will be using this amazing fabric medium. We mix some sap green with the fabric medium in equal proportions and thoroughly blend it. Spread it out into a consistent layer with the palette knife. Stay inspired and don't miss a video from us. Subscribe and leave a comment below with what you'd like us to create next. We'd love to hear from you. Place the potato stamp onto the fabric by gently pressing it and lifting it off. Create a print with the red berries and then create another holly leaf on the other side of the berries. Continue this process until you are happy with the positioning of each holly plant. If you like this project, we've got loads more on our website. Jump online to check out our Create blog and sign up with the Creative Connection to get lessons, inspo tips and more sent directly to your inbox. Staying inspired doesn't have to cost a cent. Once these prints are created, allow them to dry for 24 hours. Once they are dry, the prints can be ironed with the iron set to the cotton setting. Interleave between the print and the iron with either wax-proof paper or brown paper. When it comes to washing the runner and placemats, select the cotton wash and the cold water setting. So now all you have to do is enjoy your Christmas napery. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you're inspired to create your own table runner and placemats. And remember, if you're into projects like this one, subscribe to Creative Connection. You can get heaps of inspo, ideas, tips and tricks delivered directly to your inbox, and they're all for free.